Get ready for avocado corn salad to be a staple in your home, especially when you find out it can be made with a few ingredients that you might already have on hand. Start with 2 ripe avocados. Be sure to carefully cut around the outside to slice it in half and then remove the pit. There are 2 ways you can cut avocados. First, by slicing within the outer layer and scooping out the pieces. You'll know an avocado is ripe by how firm or soft the outside is. Choose an avocado that is lightly soft to the touch. Another way to slice an avocado is by peeling off the outer layer. This can only be done on an avocado that is ripe and ready to be used. You can then slice it or dice it and add it to your bowl. The next ingredients are going to be 1 can of corn and 1 can of black beans. Look for reduced sodium or salt-free cans, drain them and rinse them. Next, you'll combine your other ingredients like diced red onion and halved grape tomatoes and stir until all the ingredients are well combined. If you don't have grape tomatoes on hand, you can also use a can of diced tomatoes. Now we will move on to our dressing. This dressing consists of apple cider vinegar and olive oil. If you do not have these ingredients on hand, you can substitute the apple cider vinegar for a red wine vinegar and could substitute the olive oil for a vegetable or canola oil. Next, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. If you don't have any limes on hand, you could also use a bottled lime juice. Our spice mixture is going to contain garlic powder and a little bit of salt and pepper. And finally, we'll add some fresh chopped cilantro to our jar. Add the lid, screw it on tightly, and then shake it up. The dressing will be poured over top of our avocado, corn, and bean mixture. We'll stir the avocado corn salad one final time, and then you can choose to chill it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes before serving, or serve it immediately. You can serve the avocado corn salad with chips, on a whole grain tortilla, or for a protein-packed, no-power meal, you could also add canned chicken. We hope you'll try out this recipe and let us know how you like it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.